I'm Dr. Ajay Godse. I'm a pulmonologist and sleep medicine physician. I practice in Mumbai. I have my clinic, Sun Clinic in Thakur Village, Kandivli, and we have sleep lab or full-fledged sleep medicine department in Bhaktivedanta Hospital and Research Institute, Mira Road East. Today I'm going to talk about certain common aspects of sleep. Snoring is considered as a very healthy type of a sleep behavior. Most of people take a pride to say that I snore and I sleep. In fact, most of the spouse say it very comfortably to their relatives that my husband snores very comfortably and sleeps very comfortably. I just want to educate you in this particular thing a little bit. Snoring possibly can be a first sign towards a deadly disease called obstructive sleep apnea. Because what happens in a snoring is your airway gets little narrow and the air gushes through the narrowed passage of airway, creates certain type of vibration, and what sound you hear is a snoring. So snoring should not be neglected. If snoring happens to your bed partner, especially there are certain other points if they are present, if he is overweight, if he has a diabetes, if he has a blood pressure, if he has a history of heart diseases, then snoring cannot be neglected or taken off lightly. It requires to be investigated in a proper way. Who does the investigation? Obviously a trained sleep medicine physician. You should be looking for a trained sleep medicine physician in your arena. Most of the major hospitals always have these services in their portfolio. So you can seek a proper professional sleep medicine physician's advice for this. They'll go through a battery of questions from you. They'll ask about your sleep habits, they'll measure your neck circumference, they'll see your weight, they'll calculate your BMI, they'll ask specific question about your daytime tiredness or drowsiness. If your question suggests that you require to be investigated in a little thorough way, in a better way, then they'll probably ask you to go through the sleep study. Sleep study is called as polysomnography. This particular study is done in a sleep lab. It can be done even at home also. But most important parameter here is whenever you do a sleep study, it should be done by measuring sleep waves. Because when you do sleep waves or EEGs, then only your diagnosis becomes little more accurate. So overnight sleep study is something which doctors ask for. It gets analyzed, reports get generated, doctor will tell you the results of the sleep study. If you have an obstructive sleep apnea, what we are basically trying to say here, obstructive sleep apnea is a disorder where your airway collapses completely and your breathing stops during your sleep. It happens several times in a one night and your body gets deprived of oxygen. And you know oxygen is required for every system of your body. So when your body doesn't get oxygen enough times in a night, all the systems of your body doesn't really function in a proper way, whether it's a heart, whether it's your kidney, whether your brain, whether your eyes. So most of the diseases either get aggravated or they become complicated, whether it's a diabetes, whether it's a blood pressure, whether your heart diseases, or whether your attempt to lose your weight. Everything has a failure because your primary obstructive sleep apnea is not treated well. So what is the treatment of obstructive sleep apnea? Usually we have a small machines called CPAP or BiPAPs. They are small machines which has little bit of a hose pipe which attached to the mask, which fits on your nose and which blows little bit of air through your windpipe to keep your windpipe open. This is very effective, noiseless and cost effective treatment. It works wonder for people because their quality of life improves immediately. The root cause of their lifestyle disorders is taken care of, so the management of their diabetes, blood pressure and heart disease becomes better, and this makes life of not only theirs but their even bed partners little comfortable because they stop snoring.